Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and click on the notification bell to be the first to hear about my latest videos. So in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the things that you need to know when applying for a new electricity connection, such as the maximum demand in kVA and how to convert it from amps to kVA, and also some of the considerations when the supply is a PME supply. So the first thing that we need to know is the maximum demand. There are two videos on my channel on the subject of maximum demand, and I will add a link at the end of this video. Typically, the DNO won't tell you how much that they think that you need for your installation or how much you can have. They will want you to tell them exactly how much you need. So once we have calculated the maximum demand in accordance with the on-site guide, we need to convert that into kVA. Now there are some items of electrical equipment such as motors where they will be rated in kVA. But when we're calculating the maximum demand for a whole installation, there will be many parts of the installation where we don't know the rating in kVA or kilowatts. So what we do is we calculate it in accordance with the on-site guide and then convert it. I will put the formula for calculating kVA from amps at the top of the screen. Another thing to bear in mind is your installation going to include any renewable energy sources, such as solar PV, wind turbines or battery storage? Also, is the installation going to include electric vehicle charging points? You'll need to provide this information to the DNO and need to know how many kilowatts this is going to be. Remember that electric vehicle charging points, you can't have any diversity. So if you have a 3 kilowatt or a 7 kilowatt electric vehicle charging point, that is going to add that to the load of the installation. Another thing to bear in mind is what kind of earthing system will be required. Most new connections in the UK are PME systems or TNCS. But the concern with that is that there are some types of installations where it's not permitted to use a PME system.
So there are some types of installation where a PME system is not permitted. Some examples of this are caravans, boats and marinas, construction sites, exhibitions, shows and stands, and electric vehicle charging points. This is because the neutral and earth are combined in a TNCS system, which means that if the electricity supply's neutral became open circuit, this would mean that the metalwork connected to the MET would increase in potential compared with the general mass of Earth and would pose a risk of electric shock. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If so, please subscribe to my channel where I hope to add more videos on electrical engineering subjects.